Hello, beautiful twin flames, and welcome to the fourth and final activation in this light code activation series. If you've listened to all of these activations, then you have not only created major shifts in your own journey, but you are helping the collective as well. So thank you. If you are just tuning in, I do encourage you to go to the Light Code Activation series playlist on my YouTube and start from number 1 because everything builds on each other. So with that being said, y'all know the drill. Let's just surrender, connecting to the portal of our heart space, allowing our heart to open, calling in the energy of your twin, connecting with them on a heart level. I will be silent now and start the channeling, and I will let you know when the 8 minutes is complete and we'll go into the card reading. This activation is now complete. Take a few deep breaths, allowing the energies to integrate. And the message that I got while doing the activation is, if you are at this point, meaning you listened to all 4 activations and completed them, you are an incredibly advanced soul on this twin flame journey. So this activation series was not meant for all twin flames, but it was meant for you. And there's a reason behind that. You have a deep soul wisdom within you, and you are being strongly encouraged to continue to tune in with that. Also, you are one of the ones who's going to shift the consciousness within yourself and your own twin journey, but also for the collective, the twin flame collective, and just the human collective as well. And so I want us now collectively to set the intention that we have for our twin flame journey at this moment. Just take a few moments, go within, and set your intentions now. And now let's all collectively set the intention that every single person who listens to this, their intentions come to the fullest manifestation in light and love. And now let's all set the intention for the Twin Flame Collective. Whatever your personal intention would be just for the collective of Twin Flames from your heart space, set that personal intention now. Setting the intention that the collective is wrapped up in love. All shadow is dissolved, all illusions are dissolved, all fear is dissolved, and divine, blissful unions rooted in destiny and soul's purpose are grounded in. Thank you for taking part in that. You might not have any idea how much your energy and your intentions just created a massive shift. So now on to the oracle card from the book, and it goes exactly with the messages that I got during the session. So this again is from the Oracle of the Seven Energies by Colette Baron Reed. The card number is 20 of this oracle card, and the message is a merry motive. Key concepts are knowing your own motives, understanding what drives you to meet your goals, the momentum your attention creates, the wisdom behind your intentions. You have chosen a path, you've set an intention, and you've begun to move toward a goal. You feel compelled to keep going, but do you know why? Do you know the why behind this drive? Do you truly want what you're pursuing? Or are you chasing a destination with anticipation of how it will make you feel? You must choose to be in the flow of the experience and relinquish the moment. And so I want to just want to interject on those words for a second because I think it's important. Do not let fear tell you that your motive or your desire is wrong, because it is not. This is encouraging you to go deeper. Why do you have this motive? Is it because your soul is calling you so deeply towards it? Is it because you have a knowing? This is a releasing of the outside attachments to your intentions and going deep, 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 connecting with your soul, connecting with your knowing, and letting that drive you. And all the outside attachments just kind of fall away because your soul is now in the driver's seat. Okay, back to the book. You must choose to be in the flow of the experience and relinquish the moment. Surrender your expectations to a higher power rather than being guided by your limited self. So again, I must interject. A higher power is you. There's no separation. When you relinquish to your higher power, this higher power is the one who gave you your heart's desires, who gave you your calling and your knowing. So when you relinquish to this higher power, you are relinquishing to the soul version of yourself. You're letting go of the mind and the ego and giving it to something greater, but that something greater is still you. The most important aspect to consider now is where you place your focus, because that's where energy will flow. Very true and very important right now. If you are resentful, the outer world will show you more opportunities to be resentful. If you are envious of others, competitive, or overly ambitious, you will always feel as if you're not enough. If you focus on gratitude and compassion for others, you will see even more reasons to be grateful and loving. When you look for abundance, it has an uncanny way of multiplying in your life. So if you are unsure of your motives, the result will be just as unclear. Dig deep and understand your why. If your true desire is to experience X, then let go of the attachment to the form that X is supposed to come in, which that message came a couple days ago. There's a lot going on underneath the surface, and your heart's desires will be made manifest in the most beautiful, divine way. Make sure that your motive is merry and joyful, clear and honest, and aim true. Trust that the universe will provide the outcome that is the perfect match for your intention. It always does. Your heart's desires are ready to be made manifest. All this energy is encouraging us to do is focus on that. So instead of focusing on the fear or the doubt or the past, focus on the love. Focus on the truth of your intention. And visualize how it will be made manifest. But then open up to just fun surprises and magic and miracles. Don't be so tied to a very particular way. Although a lot of times when you manifest, it does come eerily similar to the exact visualization. But other times it comes in ways that you can't even expect. But as often as you can, ground in to your knowing, ground into your desires, and ground into the deepest motive that you have for manifesting these, because that is your truth. And everything will fall into place once we align with that and once we focus on that, because that is our free will choice to focus on whatever we want and to flow that energy in whatever direction we want. This is about alignment. This is about coming into your center and focusing all that attention, intention, and energy onto that, and then just allow it all to come to you. So I want to thank you. I know that explanation was a bit long, but that message needed to come through. So I'm sending you all the love and light, and extensive healings are always listed below. Again, thank you for participating in this. You changed your journey, and you changed the journey of many, many, many others, because that's the advanced divine gift that your soul has to give. Okay. That's all now. All right, love you all. I'll talk with you next time.